Today we're showing you a 2022 Kubota LX3310 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LX3310 quick attach front end loader. The tractor has just under 20 hours on it. It's practically a new machine. It does have the balance of the Kubota factory warranty, which runs into 2027 or 28. Check the listing for the exact date there, but quite a bit of Kubota warranty left on the machine. Again, just under 20 hours, so just a smidge off of new here. It does have the skid steer style carrier for your bucket connection. Bucket looks like it has not been used. Still see the ridges on the tires here. Has the hydrostat transmission. The tractor is equipped with the mid PTO, so if you want to add mid attachments, you certainly can do so, and obviously has a 3-point hitch with the rear PTO here as well. All your connecting arms, your drawbar, your top link, everything is here. It does have foldable rollover bar on it as well. Three ranges in the hydrostat transmission. Your PTO selector for mid or rear, and then your engagement levers right here. Shuttle pedal for forward reverse. It does have your 3-point control and your four-wheel drive over there to the right, and then also your loader control right there within easy reach. You do have a cruise control lock there to set your speed. Has tilt steering wheel. It's a super nice tractor. Looks like that warranty runs into November of 2028. So lots and lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.